Welcome to Engine Explorer, the ultimate destination where horsepower meets high-class living. Today, we're stepping into something so rare, so luxurious, and so jaw-droppingly opulent. It's not just an RV, it's a rolling palace. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce RV, and trust me, you'll never guess what's inside. At first glance, it demands your attention. The signature Pantheon grille, Spirit of Ecstasy emblem, and a silhouette so smooth you'd think it was designed by royalty. Rolls-Royce didn't just build a motorhome, they redefined the entire concept of mobile living. Let's talk specs. Under the hood, this beast runs a twin-turbo V12 hybrid. Whisper quiet yet brutally powerful. It glides like silk, thanks to Rolls-Royce's proprietary magic carpet ride suspension, upgraded for RV scale. Whether you're on a highway or cruising through mountain passes, you're floating, literally. But the real magic begins when you step inside. As the automated doors slide open with a soft chime, you're greeted by handcrafted interiors that rival any 7-star hotel. We're talking about real walnut wood, hand-stitched leather sourced from a single herd, and Swarovski crystal accents embedded in the ceiling. The floor, heated marble tiles imported from Italy. Yes, heated. The lounge is wrapped in silence thanks to advanced sound insulation. Ambient lighting shifts to match your mood, romantic, relaxed, or energizing. And the ceiling, a starlight headliner, mimicking the exact night sky of your location using live GPS data. Move further in and you'll find a gourmet kitchen fitted with Miele smart appliances, a wine chiller, and even a hidden espresso bar that rises at the touch of a button. The dining area seats 4 comfortably in diamond-quilted captain chairs, and the table doubles as a touchscreen control panel. Now here's where it gets ridiculous, the master suite. This isn't just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary. A king-size memory foam bed with massage functions, blackout smart glass, surround sound, and a 75-inch OLED screen at the foot of the bed. Oh, and yes, it comes with a personal butler assistant AI, trained with Rolls-Royce hospitality protocols. And don't get me started on the bathroom. A rainfall shower, heated towel racks, gold-trimmed faucets, and a toilet that probably costs more than your car. Even the mirrors are smart, displaying weather, navigation, or your favorite playlist while you get ready. This RV is not just about transportation, it's about transformation. The 2026 Rolls-Royce RV lets you live like royalty wherever you go. It's not about getting from A to B, it's about experiencing luxury without limits. So what's the price of this palace on wheels? If you have to ask, it's probably not for you. But one thing's for sure, you'll never look at motorhomes the same way again. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer. If you want more rolling mansions, jet-powered beasts, or automotive legends, make sure to subscribe and join the journey.